Hello from the Bureau. Miriam here with a severe weather update on the widespread rain impacting large parts of the country and also having a look at the impacts of that rain to come over the next few days. In the past 24 hours, that cloud band has continued to stream down from the northwest, and we have seen some reasonably decent falls, particularly through the Kimberley and also Central Australia. In the 24 hours to 9 o'clock this morning, we've seen almost 70 millimetres around the Fitzroy River, and we've seen around 50 millimetres in Yulara, the Northern Territory, and also Ernabella in South Australia. Today, rain is going to continue to impact those same areas, stretching down from the northwest through central parts and into inland South Australia. Later in the day, we're going to start to see some of that rain pushing into New South Wales as well, but it's going to tend much patchier with lower rainfall totals expected. Through Wednesday and into Thursday, that rain is really going to ease off, particularly through New South Wales and South Australia, with some clearance through Western Australia as well. And from then, all eyes will turn to Friday, which is when we're going to see the remnants of this rain band really starting to intensify across central parts of the Northern Territory, pushing back into the Kimberley as well. It's this second burst of rainfall that is going to extend eastwards into Queensland over the weekend and potentially bring impacts to the North Tropical Coast through the early part of next week as well. So taking a look at some of those rainfall totals, we can see how they build directly under that rain band first of all, pushing into New South Wales tomorrow, but really the highest falls are going to be focused through northern WA and Central Australia. In these areas, we could see 50 to 100 millimetres in the rainfall gauges by the end of the week, easily a little bit more in some isolated locations. Now, we're not necessarily expecting downbursts of heavy to intense rainfall with this system. It's more going to be steady rain that accumulates over hours or even days. But what makes this system significant is the duration of the event, stretching all the way out through the weekend, and also the extent of the rainfall across the country. It's expected to have widespread impacts on roads and access routes with potential flooding. We do have flood watches current for large parts of the country, including Western Australia and the central states, which may be upgraded to flood warnings over the coming days as the rain moves through the systems. The impacts on the roads and access routes, you can find the information for that at the local state-based pages, but it may be worth looking up, particularly if you're travelling or camping in areas that you don't usually for the winter holidays. The other main impact of this rainfall is going to be the effect it has on the temperatures. Looking at tomorrow's maximum temperatures, you can see how under that band of cloud, we've got much lower temperatures expected than on the other side of it. Really, we'll struggle to push above 15 or 16 degrees where that cloud is thickest. And as the cloud and rain start to move east to northeast over the coming days, those cooler temperatures push up towards the northeast as well. Particularly cold conditions on the way for Central Australia, with temperatures in places up to 12 degrees below the average. So with this situation continuing to unfold, it is essential to keep up to date with all of the latest forecasts and warnings via the Bureau's website and the BOM weather app. If you're travelling, make sure you update your app location to your destination. Stay up to date with all advice from local emergency services and stay tuned for the next update.